I am concerned with how the ski rides first. How does it ride in rough? Because I'll tell you what, any ski ride's good in glass. But when it gets in rough and you're on a ski that sucks in chop, you want to pull the drain plugs and you want to just leave it at the bottom of the lake. You're done. You hate it. You resent it. And then it sits on this. And then it sits on the side of your house, and you're making payments on a ski that you resent because you're like, this thing beats the crap out of you. Beats the crap out of you. I don't want to ride it. So now you're stuck with something you don't want anymore. So number one, how's the ski ride? Okay, how's the ski ride? Throttle response. How does it corner? How does it track? Does it do anything stupid? Does it do anything unpredictable? Does it roll over? Is it off-centered? Is it whatever? There's a million different things that can happen. Is it a wet ride? Is it a dry ride? Is it a comfortable ride? Is it nose plowing? What is it doing? All right. Number one, how does the ski ride? Number two, ergonomics. Do I fit on it? Is it comfortable? After 2 hours, do I hate this thing? Or after 2 hours, I'm still very comfortable. That should be number two. All right. That is the seating position for your height and weight. I'm 6'2", 240 pounds. There's not a lot of people here who is 6'2" and 240 pounds. So what fits me might not fit you. There's guys here who are 6'5" and 340 pounds. And they're like, dude, I'm a big guy. I need a big ski. Okay, understood. You know, I don't want to see that dude on a Yamaha EX trying to go, you know, it's like a Russian bear on a bicycle at a circus. It's not going to work. So, number two, how does it fit? Ergonomics. Number three, that's when you start getting into the weeds. Oh, what's the storage like? You know, can I reach the storage? Is the glove box deep? Third or fourth is storage and features. And way down on my list, honestly, really, on my priorities list is how big is the dash? Is it full color? Is it touchscreen? You know, where's the control? Where are the controls for the sound system? How well is the sound system synced to my phone? Can I pause the sound system? How loud is it? Can I hear it at full speed? That stuff is all there. But dude, that is so far down the priority list for me. But ultimately, it's going to be, how does the ski ride? Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.